I always put a disclaimer at the start of my videos, but this time I really need to emphasize this. Please do not try what you are about to see at home. A team of engineers have conducted a risk analysis to determine the safety factor of this session. This is a real fact, even though it won't seem like it, and I'm not just saying that for YouTube. There are many factors that occur behind the scenes that I can't cover in this video, but we will talk about in the future. This channel is going to go through some huge changes soon, including a series that takes you into the life of real TOUGE drivers. That being said, enjoy the video and love your day.
Well, why don't I bullshit a little bit?
Sure. Just some
Hello, YouTube. How are you this morning?
So tell us.
So I've been away for a little bit on hiatus. I've been working. I've been not being near the twisty roads. So this is a very refreshing experience for me. I've actually been go-karting. So I poured all my money into a go-kart. I go to a go-kart track. Everybody's really fast there, so you know, it keeps my ego in check. But it's definitely good for, you know, learning what you can do with the ragged edge, or the razor edge, rather. But today is kind of reinforcing the fact that I really do like the cannons. So I think this is where my heart is at. But the go-kart's great.
It'll be interesting to see, you know, because there's not a lot of YouTube videos of what you're about to do out there.
Yeah, and so today, no standing water, nothing like that. Road is slightly moist, I guess, but we'll do our best. It's 8 in the morning, so I'm not the most talkative.
No, that's fair. I'm definitely like,
we're really just chilling, like right in the
middle of the road.
I never liked my voice on camera. Maybe I can mess around with it right now. Oh my god, YouTube. So today I'm with my passenger Paulie D. I'm gonna be doing a little downhill TOUGE. You can't see my passenger because I can't show his face, but here his legs. His legs and his shoes. He's got cool shoes. I have cool shoes too. They're white. Like Initial D.
Oh, there are like Initial D, huh?
Initial Paulie D. You know, I feel like we've left a pretty big gap, but people are fucking slow. Your father and I don't know each other.
Yeah. Are you gonna run it back, or what's your deal?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, turn around. Like literally turn around right here.
What did you think?
I think that was a good pace. Yeah, that was YouTube worthy for sure.
I definitely could have improved my braking zones.
Indeed.
Sometimes I downshifted when I really didn't need to. When you're going downhill,